Welcome to the future of mobility. E-mobility is changing the way we travel and charge our vehicles. A central component of this evolution are busbar trunking systems. My name is Mario Falk and I am responsible for the planning of busbar trunking applications. In this video, I would like to show you a few highlights in the use of busbar trunking systems, especially in the area of equipping parking garage with charging infrastructure and e-bus and e-truck charging. But let's start with a few basic topics. What is a busbar trunking system? A busbar trunking system is the innovative alternative to cable installations. They are used for both energy transport and transmission in many areas of industry and infrastructure. What are the advantages of a busbar trunking system compared to a cable installation? Low space requirement due to compact design and elimination of bending radii. Shorter construction phases due to simple and fast installation. And in operation, easy expandability and changeability. In addition, and this is very important in public areas, low fire load and halogen-free. And our busbar trunking systems are type tested with assured electrical properties, regardless of installation, such as short-circuit resistance and EMC compatibility. Busbar trunking systems are maintenance-free, also sustainable due to low plastic content, reusable, easy to recycle due to they are durable, resource-saving, and last but not least, they are economical. A typical application for busbar trunking is parking garage. Gradually, individual parking spaces will be electrified, i.e. charging infrastructure will be made available in the form of wall boxes. Of course, these must be supplied with electricity. Busbar trunking systems offer tailor-made solutions for this. The length of the busbar straight section is adapted to the width of the parking lot. All you have to know is the number of parking spaces to be electrified and you already have the required number of straight sections. And to ensure that energy can only be tapped for the wall box, these lengths are equipped with only one or optionally two tap-off points. No one can connect other consumers without authorization. The tap-off boxes are therefore always attached to the same position within the parking lot. You know the nominal power of the wall box and how it should be protected? With this information, you can simply select and order a tap-off box, optionally with fuseless or fuse-based technology, with or without residual current protection. At the beginning, there are 10 spaces. Then the next 20 parking spaces will be equipped. If cables have to be retrofitted at great expense in conventional installations, it is child play with the busbar trunking system. Simply plug the appropriate number of tap-off boxes onto the already installed BD01 or BD2 run and connect the wall box with a short cable connection. No expansion in the distribution is necessary. This means that expansion is possible without shutting down during operation. Do you want to provide additional protection for your energy distribution in multi-story car park? Siemens offers special components to prevent unauthorized access. Conventional screw connections are replaced by special screws that can only be opened with special tools. For example, this protects fastening brackets, feeder boxes, tap-off boxes, and also joint areas in a special way, so that unauthorized manipulations are prevented here. For higher charging capacities, such as those required for e-bus or e-truck charging stations, our LD and LI high current busbar trunking systems are ideally suited. Both the energy transport from the transformer to the low voltage main distribution board and the supply of the individual charging stations are carried out via a compact busbar run. The same advantages of a busbar trunking systems apply here. Future proofing is particularly important here. If new charging stations are needed, due to the expansion of the e-bus fleet, they can be easily and flexibly connected to the existing busbar trunking system. This can even be done during operation. Neither a shutdown or expansion of the distribution nor complex cable installations are necessary. Simply put on a new tap-off box with integrated protection switching device, connect it to the charging station and switch it on. That's it. Did you know that busbar trunking systems can be used indoor and outdoor protected from the weather? And have we already talked about costs? You can save a lot of money with busbar trunking systems. This does not take into account the savings from later expansions of charging points. In summary, busbar trunking systems mark a new era of energy distribution by offering an efficient, flexible and future-proof solution for the growing requirements of electromobility. With their modular design, they not only support easy expandability and adaptability to changing needs, but also represent an economically attractive investment characterized by lower installation costs and reduced maintenance requirements. Additionally, they offer a high level of security through protection against unauthorized access and comprehensive type-tested reliability. Busbar trunking systems enable simple and efficient electrification of parking spaces and the construction of high-performance charging stations for e-buses and e-trucks, thereby ensuring seamless integration into the future mobility infrastructure.